Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to cast workouts to TV on Ladder. So casting workouts from the Ladder app to your TV is possible, but unlike apps like YouTube, Ladder doesn't have a built-in cast button. So you will rely on AirPlay or screen mirroring instead. So actually guys, I'm going to show you a method which called cast using the AirPlay, and that's the best method for iPhone. So if your TV supports the AirPlay or you have Apple TV, even a smart TV, you will need two sources by connecting your iPhone and TV to the same Wi-Fi. Right, and then just open the Ladder app right here and start your workout. Okay, so to start it, you will need just to go with that's workout that you want to start actually, and then go with start workout right here. Okay, then just go with whatever you want. If you want the app to track your heart rate and calories, or if not, so just go with that one, for example, and allow it. Okay, allow. And now you will need to go with skip, or you can link it to your Shopify, Amazon Music, etc. And skip.
Ladder workout, and welcome to Team Vibe.
And now you will need to swipe down from the top right to open the control center. Okay, and here you will need to tap on the screen mirroring option, so this one. So once you tap it, you will need then to select your TV, so for example this one, and your workout will appear on TV instantly. All right, so AirPlay works by wirelessly streaming your phone content to the TV when both are on the same network. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.